Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, in an election, three candidates got 3621, 3102 and 1064 votes respectively. Now in addition to that, 1200 votes were considered to be invalid. Now we have to find out the total number of people who voted in the election. So total number of people who participated in the election will be equals total number of votes. So total number of people will be equals sum of all the votes obtained by the three candidates obtained obtained by the three candidates and the votes which were considered to be invalid, so and invalid votes. So what we have to find out, so total number of people will be equals total number of votes, and which is equal sum of all the votes obtained by the three candidates and also the invalid votes. So it will be 3621 plus 3102 plus 1064 and the number of invalid votes were 1200. So the summation of all this will be equal to the total number of people who participated in the election, or rather we can say that who voted in the election. So let's solve the calculation, or let's carry out the calculation over here. So 3621, 3102, 1064 and finally we have 1200. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 7, 6 plus 2 will give us 8, again 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and then we have 3 plus 3 which is 6, and 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So it will be equals 8987. So total number of people who voted in the election equals 8987. Upon checking the options, we see that option D will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.